The Sutra of Ksitigarbha Bodhisattva's Original Vow. Chapter 6. The Thus Come One's Praises. If their consciousnesses are already scattered and their breathing has stopped, then for 1, 2, 3, 4, and on through 7 days, others should continue to inform them clearly and to read this sutra aloud. When those people's lives end, they will gain liberation from all heavy and disastrous offences they committed in previous lives, even offences warranting fivefold relentless retribution. They will be born in places where they will always know past lives. How much greater will the karmic reward be if good men or good women can write out this sutra themselves, or commission others to do so? If they can carve or paint images themselves, or commission others to do so, the benefits they receive will be great indeed. Therefore, universally expansive, if you see people reading and reciting this sutra, or even having a single thought of praise for it, or if you meet someone who reveres it, you should employ hundreds of thousands of expedients to exhort such people to be diligent and not retreat. In both the present and the future, they will be able to obtain billions of inconceivable meritorious virtues. Moreover, universally expansive, beings in the future may, while dreaming or drowsy, see ghosts, spirits, and other forms that are either sad, weeping, or worried, fearful, or terrified. Those are all fathers, mothers, sons, daughters, brothers, sisters, husbands, wives, and relatives, from 1, 10, 100, or 1,000 lives past, who have not yet been able to leave the bad destinies. They have no place from which to hope for the power of blessings to rescue them, and so they try to communicate with their closest descendants, hoping that those relatives will use some skillful means to help them get out of the evil paths. Universally expansive, using your spiritual powers, exhort those descendants to recite this sutra with sincere resolve before the images of Buddhas or Bodhisattvas, or to request others to recite it, either 3 or 7 times. When the sutra has been read aloud, the proper number of times, relatives in the evil paths will obtain liberation and never again be seen by those who are dreaming or drowsy. Moreover, universally expansive, people of low station, and those who are slaves or who are bonded, or who are deprived of their freedom in other ways, may be aware of their past deeds and wish to repent of them and to reform.